Hello everyone. I would like to share with you a great dual power automatic converter that can adjust the delayed power on time of the backup power supply according to personal needs. The metal shell has a good texture. Next, let's put it into practice. Firstly, a hole needs to be opened in its threading plug for threading the wire. We will thread the power cords of the main power supply and backup power supply into two separate threading holes. This process is very simple. Then, we need to connect the ground wires of the two power sources to the ground wire of the converter. Let's first straighten the copper wire so that we can pass through the hole on the ground wire and fix it. I choose to wire in from below because it won't affect the installation of the cover later on. After the installation of the grounding wire is completed, we need to choose between the main power supply and the backup power supply. Connect the two power sources correctly to the converter connection line. The connection line of this converter is equipped with a quick connector, making installation very convenient. When installing, be sure to distinguish between live and neutral wires. It is very dangerous to connect them in reverse. Okay, installation is complete. We need to tidy up the messy wires. Finally, we need to connect the output end to the device. For the convenience of demonstration, I used a simple lamp instead here. I couldn't find the white neutral wire, so I used the green wire instead. Now, the entire line has been installed. Next, let's test it with power on. First, connect the main power supply. Good, the light is on, which means the circuit is directly connected. Then we connect the backup power supply. Great, the timer has been turned on. We need to set it according to our own timing requirements. Let's take a look at the instructions for using the timer. From the manual, we can see that the setting mode for the relay to delay power on and remain powered on continuously is PO equals 2. Let's first disconnect the main power supply. Then turn on the backup power supply. Now we can see that the countdown has started. This is what I set. After powering on, there will be a 20-second delay in connecting the backup power supply. Good. The countdown timer has ended and the light is on time. Let's first long press the settings button. Press the up or down button to select the timer mode. We need to set PO equals 2, so we choose this mode. Then press the setting button twice in a row to adjust the delay time. After the setting is completed, the backup power supply will be powered on according to its own requested delay time after being connected. Let's demonstrate again. Connect the main power supply. The light is directly on. When we cut off the main power supply, the lights are also turned off. Then we connect the backup power supply. The light will turn on after a delay of 10 seconds that we have set. The setting is successful. If you have any further ideas, we can discuss them together.